Today I'm going to show you how I did these faux locks over my real locks. So first I started off with my wet hair. I just washed it. I've actually been locked for about 3 months now. And as you can see, I've dyed it, and I am not actually going to retwist, even though I probably should, but I'm just too lazy to do so. So I'm just going to put them over my real hair. I'm just showing you how I have new growth and my original colors coming in. So what you're going to need is a hair clip, a hair tie, hold your hair back, a latch hook, of course for the crocheting of the hair, and some hair. So I got the newer hair 1B, of course, and then I got the free tress hair in 1B as well. Whichever curl pattern you choose to do, it's up to you. It's fine. So the first thing I did was I started braiding some of the free tress hair at the bottom of my hair. I didn't want to start at the top because it was just taking too long and I'm pretty lazy. But I just braided it down like that. A very short piece, obviously. Then I take a piece of the Marley hair and cut it in half because it is just for the length of my hair only. I'm going to take the latch hook and put that through my hair that is not twisted, and grab that with the hook, close the hook obviously, and then pull that hair through, unlatch the hook and make sure that I pull one half of the hair through, so it's one half on either side coming through my lock. I pushed it all the way up to my root. You couldn't really see it, but I did. And then I started wrapping around. When you start wrapping, try to get it as tight as possible. And just keep going until you wrap all the way down. And just speed it up because it's just me wrapping. And I actually didn't care too much for it being perfect. So that's why you kind of see some bumps and lumps, and I just kind of wanted to go for the more natural looking lock. And so just keep going down all the way to the bottom. Just keep wrapping, keep wrapping, keep wrapping. So you get to the bottom, and as you can see, I have excess hair. So what I'm going to do is just cut that so I can have a little piece left, and you're going to see why in a second. So with that little piece, I kind of stretch it out as much as I could, and with that remaining free tress hair, I just start braiding it. That's right, I just start braiding it. So the two textures of the hair makes it easy for it to stay. It won't come loose because it's Marley hair. And even if some of your lock, well, since my hair is not fully locked, I still have some of that loose end. So even if that gets in there, that's fine. And I just keep braiding it down until I'm satisfied. All the Marley hair is gone. It's just free tress hair left, and that's it. That is what you see right now. So it's kind of loose, as you can see, but it is secure. It is in there. It's not going anywhere. And that's kind of what I'm trying to show you. And it's the same length as my hair. And that's about it. And I just kept doing that. Well, I decided I wanted to just do the ends first. So that's what you see right now, which is that free tress hair at the bottom of my hair. And I still have my natural hair. I haven't wrapped it just yet. And yeah, it looks kind of crazy. I actually considered going out in public like this. I lost my mind for a second, and I got back to reality and realized you can't do that. So those two are the ones that I did. Well, I think it's like 3 I did all the way, and I got tired of just doing it. As you can see, it's not all one form. It's kind of crazy looking, but that's the way I really wanted it. I'm satisfied with what it looks like, so I'm going to go back and do the rest of it. But first, Beasley wanted to make an appearance. That's my doggy. His name's Beasley. He's crazy. Anyways, so this is the finished product. This is what it looks like when you wrap all your hair. It took me a very long time, I'm not going to lie to you, because I kept stopping and eating. But the first couple ones that I did are really kind of crazy looking because I didn't care. But as I started getting to the top, I started putting a little bit more effort. I'm going to turn around to the back so you can kind of see what it looks like. You can kind of see some of the color of my hair coming through, and that's fine. I didn't mind it. But this was really great. I can put it up, I can wear it down. I mostly wore it down, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Swipe to the side. Yeah, looks great. I love it. I wore this for about 4 to 5 weeks, I believe. And it was just really effortless for me because I loved it. It was shoulder length. I could do whatever I want. And so this is what it looks like in a bun. And I kind of wore it in a bun, like a ponytail a little bit here and there. I'm going to try to tuck it in so you can kind of see what a bun somewhat kind of looks like. I'm sorry, it's a little messy, but turned out cute. And I got a lot of compliments on it. People actually thought it was my hair. I don't know why, but I really liked it. And the older it got, of course, the more natural it started looking. And it actually wasn't that hard to take out. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is what it looks like. That's it. Mostly just me at work with it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tune in for my next video.